Hello dear students, today we will learn about articles, that is a, an and the. There are two types of articles, definite and indefinite. Definite article that includes the. It is used with the definite things which are already known to us, whereas indefinite articles include a and an. A is used with the word starting with a consonant, whereas an is used with the word starting with vowel, but there are certain exceptions. A can be used with a word starting with U if it has a sound like U, Y-O-U, U sound. Whereas an can be used with a word starting with H where H is silent. For example, an R, where H is silent when we are saying R. So it has a vowel sound. So we have to remember that A is used before words that start with a consonant sound, and an is used with words that start with a vowel sound. Now, to make this more clear, we will go through some examples. So here are some examples of the words that where we are using A. So A is used with the consonants, but there are certain exceptions. So let's see. First one is a uniform. As I told you, if the word is having the pronunciation U, even if it starts with U, U is a vowel, but if it has a pronunciation U, Y-O-U, then we will add a before it. So a uniform. Second is a unicorn. Same thing. It is also having the pronunciation U, unicorn. So we will add a before it. So it's a unicorn. The next example that we have with us is a unicycle. You can see in the picture, children, a unicycle. Again, unicycle. It has the pronunciation U. It starts with U and it has the pronunciation U, unicycle. So we use a before it. Next is a united team. A united team. So it starts with a and because it's having the pronunciation U, united. Next example is a xylophone. Now xylophone, because it is starting with X, so here we are adding a before it, so it's a xylophone. Let's move to the next example. Our next example is of the words that start with an, like start with a vowel where we use an. Okay, so our first example in this category is an umbrella. Let's see. Yes, an umbrella. Now umbrella, it starts with a U and it has the vowel sound a, umbrella. So we are using an before it. The second example that we have in this category is an urn. An urn. Urn is a pot, a vessel with a round top. So it's an urn. We use an before it. The next example that we have is an unhealthy snack. Now you can see all your favorite snacks are here, but these are not healthy. These are unhealthy. So unhealthy snack. An unhealthy snack. The next example is an unusual gift. Again, it starts with U and it has a sound A. Unusual gift. So we will add an before it. An unusual gift. The next example is an ugly duckling. An ugly duckling. You can see the duckling is so sad. Yes, because he feels that he's ugly. So an ugly duckling. Next is an example. Throughout this video we have told you now example. So example, it again starts with E. E is a vowel, so we are adding an before it. So an example, that means one example. An X-ray. You can see the X-ray, the picture of X-ray is given here. So an X-ray. Why we are adding an here? Because when we are saying X, A sound is coming. That is a vowel sound. So an X-ray. An Xmas tree. Again, Xmas. When we are saying X, we are having that A sound. The A vowel sound is there. So we are adding an over here. An Xmas tree. The next example is of an emperor. It starts with E, so definitely we'll add an before it. So an emperor. The next example that we have is An honor. I told you in the beginning that if a word starts with H, we have to see whether H is silent or not. If it is silent, then we will add an. An honor. Honor. H is silent over here. An heir. Again here the word letter H is silent, so we are saying an heir. Heir means for somebody who is actually taking up your will or your rights. That is an heir. Now an MBA student. Now when we are saying M, the vowel sound A is coming. So an MBA student, an MBA student, although it starts with M, it is a consonant, but we'll say an MBA student. An FBI report, FBI. When we are saying F, we are having that A sound, A vowel sound. So we'll write an before it. So an FBI report. Now the is used to refer to a person or thing already referred to or easily understood, like something which we already know. So there was a dog on the street. The is also used with some of other sentences. So let's see some examples of the very first example that we have in this category is that the is used with the names of oceans and rivers. For example, the Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean. Similarly, we can add the with the names of mountain ranges like the Himalayas, the Aravalli Hills. We can also add the before the names of deserts like the Thar Desert. We also add the before the names of buildings and monuments. Can you guess the name of these buildings? The one on the left is the Gateway of India, that is in Mumbai, and the another one on the right is the Taj Mahal. The is also used with the names of the holy books like the Bhagavad Gita, the Holy Bible, the Quran, and the is also used with unique things like the sun, the moon, the sky, the North Pole, the equator, etc. So, and the is also used with superlatives. When we are doing adjectives, we are doing superlatives like the best, the worst, the latest, the oldest, the tallest. So we are using the. Without the, superlatives cannot be written in the sentence. Now there are some examples where the cannot be used. So with some things like we are calling in general like milk, some games like basketball with the names of the countries like Italy, Japan, all these things. But there are certain exceptions like the